Tired of tax season turning into a financial and emotional roller coaster? Today, we're diving deep into Freetaxusa, the tax preparation software that promises a free federal filing experience. To see if it lives up to the hype, I'm going to walk you through my personal experience, highlighting the pros, the cons, and everything in between so you can decide if it's the right fit for your tax needs. First impressions matter, and Freetaxusa boasts a clean and intuitive interface. Setting up an account is a breeze. The step-by-step guidance throughout the process is incredibly helpful, especially if you're not a tax expert. You are guided through each section, from entering your personal information to reporting income and deductions. Now, while federal filing is free, remember that state returns come with a fee. Plus, they have a deluxe option you can purchase with extra features like audit assistance, but the basic free version covers most standard tax situations, like W-2 income, standard deductions, and the earned income tax credit. I found that the price point was still lower than most competitors. One potential drawback is the limited customer support. They primarily offer email support and a comprehensive fax section, which may not be ideal if you need immediate assistance. In my experience, I found the fax section helpful for common questions, but responses to email inquiries took a bit longer than I hoped. So, the verdict: Freetaxusa is a solid option, especially for those with simple tax situations who are comfortable navigating the process independently. The price is unbeatable, and the user-friendly interface makes filing less intimidating. Just be aware of the limitations regarding state filing fees and customer support. Ultimately, whether Freetaxusa is right for you depends on your individual needs and comfort level. Hopefully, this review has given you the insights you need to make an informed decision and conquer tax season with confidence.